Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear the cache memory for the X app, formerly known as Twitter, on your Android device. This is a great way to improve the app's performance and free up some space on your phone. Let's get right into it. To start, go to the settings of your Android phone by tapping the gear icon in your app drawer or notification shade. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on Apps or Applications, depending on your phone model. Now, look for the X app in the list of installed apps and tap on it to open the app details. In the app info screen, you'll see a few options like Force Stop, Uninstall, and Storage. Tap on Storage. Inside the storage settings, you'll notice two options, Clear Data and Clear Cache. We only want to clear the cache, so go ahead and tap the Clear Cache button. This will remove temporary files stored by the X app without affecting your personal data, like your login information or saved posts. Once you've cleared the cache, you should notice an improvement in the app's performance and some extra storage space on your phone. And that's it. You've successfully cleared the cache for the X app on your Android device. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.